why don't we use this to create peace in the world?
That is our duty. We can do that.
Patriji is doing.
Patriji is doing. All great masters are doing. There are a lot of masters in the Himalayas who are silently also doing.
But
still there is so much of violence.
Still it's going on increasing day by day, and it's creating havoc in our lives.
But it will decrease as we increase our meditations. It will.
But the ratio, the proportion is inverse proportion.
Have patience.
It will happen.
We have seen
gradually.
It's changed.
Okay, you are in a hurry. That's all it is. But it is good. It is good. It is good. We should have that hurried, enthusiasm that I want it now. It's only when you have that intensity it will happen.
Because I'm seeing number of people are increasing day by day.
Yes.
But parallelly, this.
There are young souls. Young souls. They have not experienced. Baby souls, young souls. They have not experienced all that. Only those who are old come to this spiritual path. Because they have gone through that cycle and they say it's not worth it. Violence is not worth it. So, in this life only dhyana.
Then we can do one thing for this, sir.
Yeah.
We can approach the government and we can tell
Yeah,
them.
definitely.
That's why private party is.
Everybody, all great masters have done already. But that is not enough. For our word, it is not enough.
For the baby souls to get it enlightened, this meditation should be part of education also.
Yes, it's slowly getting implemented. Some schools have.
Okay.
In Bangalore, a lot of schools have yoga and meditation.
Media society is introducing the textbooks for every school. We are introducing.
So slowly, these changes will happen gradually. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right. I thank my good friend Azim Perry for 25 years. I saw a young lady. What's your name?
Naina, sir.
Naina. From?
Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, okay. What's your name? Bellary. So this, I see enthusiasm in young people. We are in a hurry. So we were also in a hurry. We both. And 23 or 24, I was introduced to Osho and Subodhananda, and people have called us mad. Okay, at that time. And especially me. And we would go to an extreme, end up going to Pune, see him, go with the Subodhananda, and do all this, put chairs. I think 25 years is a long time to do all this. So I was a volunteer, and my Guru has taught me how to speak. My Guru has taught me how to communicate. So like that, I have not come. So I took interest to change myself first. So I have a model. That is the Pyramid Party of India, as you said. You don't no need to worry about going to government. We will form government, spiritual government. Okay? They don't need to go to government. They won't change. Okay? And I'm sure people like Modi are somewhere better than others who are closer to spirituality. Okay? I mean, whatever the problems are. Okay? So, in terms of vegetarianism, whatever it is. Okay? He maybe has his own methods. So, it is changing. Okay? Even he will also mellow down. He will also get reformed. He will also become universal. Okay? So, things are changing. That's the reason we made Pyramid Party of India. I contested from 2009. I am a builder by profession, nothing to do with politics. Okay? I have written books, nothing to do with. So I never knew that I am going to write a book. So all these things happen. Reformation. We were there. We were like mad monks. We were called as mad monks. Okay? And that's it. If you want to change, first you change. Don't ask others to change. If you want to change, you change. If I want to change the world, better I change first. Okay? We are all looking at he should change. He will look, I should change. Wife will think, wife will say, husband should change. Husband will say, wife should change. Mother-in-law will say, father-in-law will say, daughter-in-law should change. The daughter-in-law say, mother-in-law should change. Then nobody changes that. So the whole world is that. Okay? So it's like, I'll tell you, Naina, no? So I'll give you an analogy because spirituality is not something
You may call it a Sufism. I have written a book on Zen. It is called The Empty Cup. You can pick up in the bookshop. Okay. What is Zen? What is Sufism? What is Anapanasati? What is? All these are different methods to reach the same destination. Okay. There are different methods. Don't go. I have done 108 types of meditation. 108 types of meditation under Osho Coming. I have done. Nataraja meditation. Vijnana Bhairava Tantra itself is 108. He increased actually. He added dynamic meditation, mystic growth, Sufi dance, tea meditation, Kundalini, Nada Brahma, Yoga Nidra. You call it, I can name some. Trataka, looking at a candle is a meditation. Of course, it increases the concentration of a person. Looking at a candle is what we have done. By looking at us, we doing all this, my family all thought the God case, they are all. They are not going to fit into society. But now I think we are the most fittest people to be in the society. Okay? And people are turning towards us, like as Naina said, yeah, I think every part of India can do something. That's the reason we are here. So 108, 12, 115 meditations. But where it ends? Same thing. So what is Anapanasati? Is the most simplest form of meditation. Be open to learn other kind of meditation. Don't get closed. Dance is a meditation. Shiva Tandava. What is Shiva Tandava? It's nothing but the Shiva dance is a Rudra. What is that? We call it as Rudra Tandava. Ananda Tandava. He out of ecstasy he used to dance. The Shiva himself. Okay? And Shiva is in our scriptures. Singing is a meditation. Driving can be a meditation. I drive. My vehicle is there. Actually, when I drive, I get connected to the vehicle. And the driving, traffic, government, police. If traffic jam is there, the traffic jam is there, 10 minutes you are stuck. The best solution is switch off the engine or put on the engine or in the AC or doing, call some people, listen to music, or if you are not a paper, read paper. Instead of that, you go on gossip. First government, all money they eat, everything. Your life is taken away for the moment. Listen to rock star Rohit's, that RJs, please make some bakras. See, anything can be used, but the problem is, the fact is traffic jam, your story is life is miserable. So the most of it, I request here people are elevated. I'm sure you are the youngsters who have little. The best thing is, 25 years like me and Azim, it's very tough to be on the path of spirituality. People will ridicule you, people will do avana, people will discourage you, people will brand you. Ask Patriji, how much? He's not bothered about all that. Ridicule, branding. I know what we are doing. We know where I am going. He knows where he is going. Mutturaj knows where he is going. Okay? And everybody who are here, as you go on coming to these such places, develop a support system. This is support system. Pyramid Valley is what? Support system. I have a center called Zen. I think you have come. And Madam has come. And how many people have seen Zen? Yeah. Please come. The support system. Every Saturday we have. Come. Practice the meditation. Like how you go to gym. Some gym is there, you are paid money. But some meditation center is there, you go. Like that. Please come. Keep your interest. What's your age now?
23, sir.
You can tell. Another 20 years, you make a commitment. I am going to change the world. You first will change. Okay? Like we both used to sit on the footsteps of Vidhan Saudha, 1988, and I jokingly used to tell, when are you going to enter this? Okay? I never knew that. How destiny will take us, you don't know. At the age of 44, Patriji made me the head of the Karnataka unit. I never knew. I never asked for it. It happened. And we know what we are doing. People think we are doing politics. No. We are not doing politics. We are bringing a transformation in people. We want to bring change in the world. We are not doing any politics. Okay? So friends, spirituality is very difficult and also easy. Okay? Difficult means all the people around you will discourage you, brand you. Don't worry about it. And just believe in yourself and accept the life as it is. Okay? So, people cannot be changed. Okay? One scorpion was drowning in a river. There were two monks, Zen monks who were walking. The first monk took that scorpion and saved it. It bited it. Okay? Touched it. Tirga jasti ayi, tirga below. Again it went into water. Again he took the scorpion. Again it gave a sting. Okay? The second monk said, you know the scorpion's nature is to bite. Why you are saving it? I know, my dear brother, nature of scorpion is to bite. My nature is to save. To save the world. Okay? Thank you very much. And Azim has to go to the other class in products and join session. Thank you. He will be available in the lunchtime. You can talk to him. Okay? And I'm sure his book Mystic on a Motorbike will be a reality in around 6 months. And you will please come and pick up in our. Thank you. Thank you.